So hello, welcome to a new vlog. We are on our way to the lovely Centre Parcs in Longleat right now. I'm really excited. We're meeting the rest of my family there. When I say we, I mean Matt and I. I can see him, you can't. Yeah, we're on our way and I'm really excited for this. It's gonna be, I think it's originally meant to be for my sister's 16th birthday, but she turned 16 last May, so it's kind of just like a little trip for a number of reasons. And anyway, I need to stop chatting so I can vlog when we get there more. Just passing Stonehenge, nice and casually. Can't really see it. Oh, we're going over the hill now. There you go. Bit of British history. Oh, it's coming back.
British history, pagan history.
Oh, well, whatever. It's old. It's old and it's in the UK. There you go, international viewers. Okay, we've just got to our property. We've got like a nice little 3-bed thing going on. There's loads of alcohol on the side. Don't judge us. We've just lifted that out first. Oh, you are here. We thought you were gone. Oh, no. It's the kitchen. It's the best.
They've sewn to the towels, Centre Parcs accommodation use only.
Well, yeah, I'm not surprised. Apparently, Tasha smiles. Some fancy little art going on.
No, I won't rub it out.
Don't be rude. It's just rude and disrespectful. Good morning. It is Saturday. I didn't vlog much yesterday in the end. We got here, we got to the apartment that we were staying in and we kind of just chilled out. So yeah, we kind of didn't really do much. We just literally stayed in the evening, chilled, had some food here, played some cards and then went to bed. But this morning we are going to the pool and then afterwards we are doing laser combat, which I am not really sure whether anyone's going to be able to film it or not, because I don't know if my parents are going to be there the whole time. They're going to the spa at some point, so I don't know really whether I'm going to be able to film any of it, but anyway, I think tonight we're going out for dinner as well, so it'd be nice to do something, and I'll try and film as much as I can. I've just had a shower, so my hair's a bit wet, and I'm starving, so I'm going to go have my breakfast. Oh man, train.
Oh, no one cares.
I have to wait until he says his bit. So we're at the bus stop now. I'm not really sure what you want to call it. The land train stop. And oh, it's just starting to really rain again. We're going to go and do our laser combat thing, but it's outside and I'm really terrified because I'm gonna get so wet. And we thought it was inside, so we are totally not properly dressed for it. And yeah. I'm a bit scared. Yeah! Yeah, I don't know what to say. Huh?
Bit of crack if you want there.
Sorry?
Crack.
Crack hills. We are here, well we think we're here. No, I've never been down here before. I think it's a fairly new thing. Like, as in last 5 years maybe. Activity centre. Laser combat over there. Yeah. Was a bit of a hike, but we've made it on time. Possibly. We have just finished. I wasn't looking forward to it, but it was actually so good. I do recommend, if you are going, wear shoes you don't care if they get muddy. Clothes you don't care if they get muddy. And you'll enjoy it more, because I was a bit worried about getting my shoes and slipping and falling over and ruining everything. Yeah, definitely don't wear Converses or Stan Smiths. Skechers trainers are like moderate. I'll show them your shoes in a second. Matt wore walking boots and he definitely had the best footwear. Yeah. Leggings would probably be a good idea as well, just something that you don't care about basically. But it was very good and I would recommend, and we all got a badge. So, you know, I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, my shoes didn't fare too, no, mine were alright actually. Yours? Best?
This is after walking in a puddle?
Yeah, after the puddle wash, yeah.
Oh no, it's a little...
Lauren actually stayed in longer than anyone though, so to be fair, like, yeah, she kind of was gonna be muddier. Okay, we're out for some lovely food, back at Parcs again, and I really appreciate that I get my own menu. Lots of lovely choices. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I was sort of feeling a burger, but they do, I had the macaroni and cheese the other day and that was quite nice. Or maybe something grilled. Don't know. Oh, they've even got
milkshake.
They've even got gluten-free beer. The salads and things. Not sure what to have. Good morning, everybody. Although it's nearly afternoon, we had a bit of a lay-in. It's now Sunday, and today we haven't got any plans. I think Hannah and Lauren went segwaying this morning. We had a lay-in, and now we're going down to the sports centre, and we're going to get a drink and maybe try and play some games or something. There's lots of little arcadey things down there, and probably go swimming this afternoon or something. But yeah, we're a bit late. Everyone else is already there, so we need to... Oh my god, I just broke my nail really badly. Hot chocolates have been had, espressos and all sorts have been had. Not sure what we're doing now, but I think we're going to go to the pool at some point later on. Everyone else has gone looking at shops and bus times and I don't know. Just come for a little wander. Found the Aquasana. Apparently there's a shop or something. Go have a look. That's how you spell Aquasana. Nothing at all like what I wrote on the text message. That is an unusual spelling. We're now on the land train, going to do some swimming. We had a lost key issue. They don't have keys anymore here. They have like bands with sensors on, which is a good idea, but someone has lost theirs, and you could, we think that...
The train is now ready to depart.
Thank you.
Please ensure young children are not seated next to the doors, and check your doors are securely fastened. Thank you.
Yeah, so we've got the blue bands and the green bands, but the blue bands don't let you use lockers, so we've been told. So Hannah had to go get a new band, and now we're going swimming. And there was something else I was going to say, but I can't remember. No. Good morning. It is Monday morning, and it's our last day. Well, technically not even our last day, technically we're going soon. Matt's still asleep. Mum, Dad, Hannah and Lauren have gone. I just filmed a time lapse and just watching the news, waiting for Matt to get up. But it's very cold outside. It's like -1, I think it's probably about 0 now, but it was -1 earlier. So yes, I don't think we're gonna do much. We're probably just gonna like pack up and go, but we've got until 10 to stay here, so. Okay, so I'm getting all packed up now. Got dressed, got some makeup on. And yeah, it's kind of sad leaving. We've got the dishwasher on, so that's what the noise is all about. Going back to university, I've got a lab this afternoon. I think Matt has as well. And yes, it's actually 25 to 10, so we probably need to get going. Because we're not sure whether the gates get locked at 10 or whether you just have to be like out of the property. But yeah, anyway, also in the big news this weekend, Kylie Jenner. I think she's done a very good job of hiding it, I must admit. Like, for someone that famous, there's only a couple of photos that was like, So, quite impressive really. But yeah, time to go home. So this is our little apartment place. I think this is an executive 3-bed lodge. Sort of view I showed earlier. Some sofas, TV, there's a coffee machine in there. It's a little entranceway. The front, you could park your bikes there, we didn't bring our bikes this time. And then there's a bedroom, the master bedroom right down the end. There's a twin bedroom here, another twin or double here. Then we've got this really cool infrared room. I'll try and show you it. In there. It's like a sauna, but it's not a sauna, it uses infrared. Very cool. I only used it once, but it's supposed to be very good for you. Alright, goodbye. That was our apartment number if anyone's interested. Now to go. What did I even just tread on? That made a weird noise, I don't know. Now let's go home. Goodbye, Centre Parcs. Oh, I thought we'd start moving. Thanks, Centre Parcs. Now, for the real goodbye. No, we're not going to Longley Wildlife Park. I know you want to, Matt. No, don't change your signals. Bye.